welcome to the Nissan EV Owners channel. I'm Paul Eden. You're somewhere very noisy, Paul. Yeah, I am. This is NMUK. This is the mothership. Nissan's factory in Sunderland in the northeast of England. Nissan Dukes right there. I'm going to talk to a couple of people, not necessarily just about EVs, because there's so much to talk about at the moment. Anyway, welcome to the channel. I'm here with Claire. It's a very special day for you, isn't it?
Extra special day.
Yeah. Nissan have bought 200 school children in to build Qashqais out of Lego.
Yeah.
Wonderful. This is your day job. It's amazing.
So we're celebrating 10 years of the Nissan Skills Foundation. Unbelievable team. Exceptional teamwork to bring this together today, and we're so grateful to the schools for bringing all of the school children in. We've got 200 children from the region, across the region, each of the 7 different local authorities in the North East Combined Authority. They are basically building Legos, making or using 61,500 bricks, which have all been sorted by the Nissan Skills Foundation team. And we're just waiting for the Qashqais to flow off the production line.
And we've already seen a couple of them arrive, haven't they? I've got to ask, are they hybrid or battery electric?
Oh, these would absolutely be electric.
That's the correct answer, well done.
The work of the Nissan Skills Foundation is really important because we really want to encourage children and young people to consider careers in STEM. What we want to do as well is just let people know that there are so many different career opportunities, from the manufacturing through to engineering, finance, logistics, production control, and all the jobs in the supply chain as well. Working in advanced manufacturing and engineering just has a rich landscape of opportunity.
You make an important point, because it's not just about Nissan here, albeit a very impressive site. It's about not just the wider community and the schools, but the wider manufacturing industry in the region, isn't it?
Absolutely, yes, absolutely. So we've achieved activity with 100,000 children in the Nissan Skills Foundation
over the 10 years.
So far, over the 10 years. Around about 8,000 school children a year. We've got plans to double that to support Made in E, which is a regional skills hub being developed, supported by Nissan. So ultimately, in the coming years, we'll be looking at working with around about 16,000 children a year.
It's amazing. So
unbelievable.
This is just the start, really.
It's just the start, and this really is to celebrate the great work that the Skills Foundation do, the support that we get from the local schools and schools across the region, and really to say thank you to everyone for their support as well. What we try and do is make it really fun, really interactive,
really noisy,
really engaging, really noisy, control chaos. We want to really excite the children and young people around technical education, but just do that in a really stimulating way.
Do you know that I love that you have a passion not just for motor manufacturing, most of the people here do, but you've got a passion for what you do, for want of a better phrase.
Yeah.
It's amazing. Well done.
Thank you.
I'm with Adam. Now, Adam is in charge of the plant. There's no other way, there's no easy way of putting it. Stand back a bit. That's it. So, how's your day been?
Brilliant. What a fantastic day to be here.
Isn't it awesome?
I'm sure you've seen from the celebration and the activity we've had on there. We're marking today the 10 years of our Skills Foundation.
Indeed.
Celebrating the engagement of 100,000 school children. You've seen the excitement, you've heard the fun. That really is what it's about for us.
I'm not going to need a caffeinated drink for a couple of days. It's really good. These are Dukes, aren't they?
Dukes coming off the line behind us.
Yeah.
We've got Dukes and Qashqai coming down line 2 today.
Right. I haven't seen any Qashqais yet. I look forward to them. It's a good car, this. Really good car. And I've seen the new one. Whoa.
You've seen that in terms of the teaser images we've released yesterday.
The ones that came out yesterday.
So absolutely fantastic in terms of that future that brings us. You'll have seen later this year, next generation electric Leaf coming out, 2026 Duke. What a fantastic bright future we have within the plant. You talk about this not being my day job, but it is. It's about securing the future. We've got the future products, we've got that great opportunity. We've got to make sure we've got the future talent, and that's what this is about.
Yeah.
Inspiring children at this stage into manufacturing, into STEM. And activities like this, playing through fun, learning through Lego, some of the basic building blocks in terms of what we need, they've learnt today through that fun, how to optimise a line balance of Lego build, how the teamwork pulls it all together.
Yeah.
That really is, that's opening their eyes, the opportunity and the fun we can have within manufacturing.
In terms of the future of the plant, you must be really confident, because those 3 cars that we just mentioned, Duke, Qashqai, Duke, Micra and Leaf, look absolutely wonderful. You're going to build Leaf and Duke here.
Within this plant, absolutely. So,
Yeah.
as I said, what a bright future.
Yeah.
What a challenging 2 years we're going to have in terms of the preparing for that. As I said, Leaf later this year. Our plant's being modified for that. We start the production tray, so really exciting time for our plant. Big challenge, but that's the success that this plant is built upon, and that's why we need the talent for the future to continue with.
That's why this is the premier car manufacturing in Europe.
You would not get me disagreeing with that for one moment, would you?
I didn't think I would.
Fantastic cars, fantastic people from what you've seen today. We have that know-how, we know that knowledge. Some of it goes together, some of it in terms of the new technologies, of course we've got to keep ensuring that we're at the forefront of the technologies with our talent and our education.
I wouldn't describe my 2016 Leaf as new technology. It's 9 years old, it's done nearly 90,000 miles, and I'm very grateful for you guys to knock that up.
Fantastic cars and lots more to come.
Brilliant. Thank you for your time, Adam.
Thank you.
Have a very good day.